Hi, it's Brenda with Luke's. Does your husband ask you to sew a button on a pair of shorts? You kick him in the corner. Not going to happen. Till you find out you can sew a button on with your sewing machine. Today we're going to do that with the Janome 8200 QCP. So let's see how easy it is to do. First of all, we're going to go and we're going to call up our mode 1, and that's going to be stitch number 33. As you can see, there's a button. We're going to make sure that our feed dogs are down because we're not going to be moving forward. And our feed dogs are down right here. I pull that switch towards me. I'm going to take my button, position it under the button presser foot, which looks like this with the little blue tabs on it. I'm going to hand wheel the needle into position, pull it to make sure it goes in the hole. Yep, I'm good. So I'm going to go ahead and lower my presser foot. And then I'm going to give it a little bit of gas. As you can see, it stops. I'm going to raise my needle, lift my presser foot, and look at there. My button is sewn on. All I need to do is trim the stitches and I'm good to go. Go back and repeat for the next two buttons, the next two buttonholes, and I'm done. Just that quick. Hand sew? I don't think so. Let's use technology.